Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to fix copying and forwarding is not allowed in this channel on Telegram. So first of all, go ahead and open up your Telegram, okay? And what you're going to do, you're going to just go ahead and enter the private chat room that you have, right? That you want to copy, right? So let's have example that one, right? So as you can see, there isn't a message, but if there is, what you're gonna do, you're gonna just go ahead and hold the screen on the text that you want to copy inside that private channel, and what you're gonna see, you're gonna see an option to look up, right? And what you're gonna do, you're gonna just go ahead and click the lookup button, and it will see right here, it will show you that there is no content found. Just go ahead, a pop-up window, you're gonna see a highlighted in blue option, search web, and basically they will direct you to that search web. Go back to your screen, go ahead to your web, they will direct you automatically, and you're gonna see the text appearing to you in the search or enter website name, and basically you're gonna be able to copy that message and enter it where to your notes by going right here and open a new note, and then basically just paste the texting that you copied from that browser, and basically that's it. Let me know in the comments of this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.